Let me show you a couple of ways of how you can use it. First of all, if you are on a no makeup day and you just want your skin to glow, you can just use it on top of moisturizer. Like right now, I'm not using anything on my skin. With a fluffy face brush, you can just simply dip the brush into the Hygiene Beautifier and buff it gently onto your skin. Most beautiful natural sheen to your skin. Fresh and healthy. Or we're using it on top of the Hygiene Primer Serum or any other serum and underneath makeup. Okay, look at the difference with and without the Hygiene Beautifier. Stunning! If you're in a rush and want a 2-in-1 step, you can also drop the Hygiene Primer Serum directly into the pan and mix them together. A little of my High Glam Corrector and Concealer. Glowy. A little bit of flush of color to the cheeks. And I'm going to add the I Need a Nude Lip Crayon in shade Emily. I like to blend it with my finger to blur it out and look more natural. And we'll finish off the look with the I Need a Rose lip gloss in Daphne. This is literally my simple everyday look. Okay, this is how the Hygiene Beautifier looks underneath makeup. Still glowy and fresh looking, but you can also use the Hygiene Beautifier as a targeted highlighter. Apply with your finger on the high points of your face. Look how blinding this looks. And then blend it out with your clean finger for an airbrushed finish. And then to create a super glam look with this product. So this is how multifunctional the Hygiene Beautifier is. You can create no makeup looks with it or just glam up your skin extremely into a high shine glow goddess.